Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your BMW M badge. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, as you notice, my BMW M6 badge is started to fade and it started to chip right here, and it's getting old. And I just bought the genuine BMW M6 badge from BMW Group right there. That's the part number. So you want to get it from BMW dealership, or you can buy it from BMW store online. Make sure you got the genuine BMW M badge. You can do this technique for your BMW M3, M4, M1, M6, you know. So since I have the M6, I'm gonna use the M6 badge. Before you change the badge, make sure you got waterless car wash, microfiber towel, and unit masking tape, dental floss, and if you have a glue remover scraper, make sure it's the plastic one, don't use the metal one. And then you need a high quality heat gun. I really love the SEEKONE right here. That's the heat gun that I really like, is SEEKONE heat gun. It's really high quality one here. And also, once you remove the badge, you want to use the adhesive remover. It's like orange goo, but I'm gonna use the duck adhesive remover, which actually it has a plastic scraper here, so we can scrape off the what do you call it, the adhesive residue once I remove the badge. Anyway, when I'm gonna connect the heat gun together, and I'll be back. Everyone, before we remove this, make sure you want to clean the surface. I'm just gonna use the waterless car wash. Make sure there is no dirt, and you know, the surface is all nice and clean, like that. So it's dry. Now it's nice and clean. And then we're gonna put the, you can use what do you call it, gloves to protect your hand. And this is very important to have the masking tape. The thing is, without the masking tape, you know, it's really hard to place the new badge at the right spot. So it's important to have a masking tape just to help you, you know, to make your life easier later on when you want to place the new badge. So I'm gonna put the masking tape right here. So when you put the next badge, it will be easier. You don't have to guess where to put the badge. So, and the thing is about the new badge, you don't have to worry about the six. There is a plastic that's holding it. You know, it's like double plastic. One is in the back, one's in the front. Once you place it, then you just peel the top part. So anyway, we're gonna put all the masking tape. This will help you later on, and also protect the rest of the, you know, paint that doesn't need to be exposed to the heat gun. It's this is a must when you change a badge of a car. If you watch my how to change a badge on my Jaguar XJR, the XJR Jaguar badge also goes bad after, especially this is like a 2002 Jaguar XJR. It's an 18-year-old car, so I changed the badge. If you go to my other video, it's also using the same method, but back then I didn't have. Also, look at this. This is the important part, since the M badge has, you know, this slanted corner. You want to make sure, you know, you cover that. So you know exactly when to place the new badge right here. And you don't have to guess, oh, where should I put the new badge, you know. You know exactly where to put it if you put masking tape. Yeah, this is the step that you cannot skip when you change a badge on especially a BMW M car, or any BMW actually. I just like to put more masking tape. Now when you're done with putting the you can use a fishing net. Fishing net is a lot stronger than dental floss, but I found it just fine using a floss, especially when you have the proper heat gun. What you want to do, you want to turn the heat gun on. Be careful. This is the part where you have to wear gloves. Sometimes people, I've seen this all the time, people don't wear gloves, and guess what, they accidentally point their heat gun to their skin and they got like 3rd-degree burn. This thing is professional grade, so you have to be really careful. It will really burn your hand. So anyway, you want to turn it on. Actually, I'm gonna use level 1 and then I'm gonna start. Okay, now you just have to start heating it up. On the side, on the top. This way we are softening the adhesive for the badge. Okay, now we can turn it off and we can go ahead and check it out. Get your dental floss. This is a cheap dental floss. It's only like 50 cents. So you can buy a fishing net too. Fishing net actually is better because it's a lot thinner. But I'm gonna go ahead and look at that. Once, look how easy it is. Once, voila, and then voila. Once it's done, see how fast it is. Now we gotta get the orange goo like that. And put it. This thing won't ruin your paint. It's not harsh. So like that. And what you want to do, you can use the back of this thing, and we're gonna start removing it like that. So yeah, I'm gonna start removing this. I'll be back. Hi everyone, there's an outline still. Okay, this is what a lot of people forget. There's still orange glue oil here on the what do you call it, on the paint. So you want to use isopropyl alcohol that is gonna what do you call that, you know, vaporize real fast to remove the orange glue oil. Otherwise, I've seen some people forgot to do this, and guess what, they waste $40 to $60 because their new badge fall off, because this thing is what, adhesive remover. So the new badge won't stick to the paint, and guess what, they drive around in nice summer day, and guess what happened, their new badge falls off. So you want to clean the orange glue. Look at that. And plus it will, the alcohol will help the rest of the adhesive. See that? It's make the paint in this area cleaner from an extra adhesive. Do you see that? It's nice and clean. And there you go. Yeah, you need that. Not only you need the orange glue to remove the initial adhesive, you need the isopropyl 70% alcohol to remove and clean the rest of the paint. As you can see, look at this. My daughter is here to help me today. Thank you, Brenna. There you go. Now it's nice and clean, and you can get another clean paper towel. Make sure you get a nice soft paper towel that's not too abrasive. There you go. Now it's nice and clean, and the new badge is ready for installation. Like right now, I'm not worried where to install this because I know exactly where I'm gonna put the badge. Yeah, I'm really excited that I finally have the time to replace the badge. As the badge become older, see, the badge has like two part here. You want to peel the back part and leave the front part, understand? You don't want to peel it from the front, you're gonna peel it from the inside. See that? You peel it and then you're gonna place it exactly where do you come here when I closer? See that? There you go. Just press it. Press, 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 and the magic happened. And you peel the other layer. Look how clean it is. Wow! And we can remove this, remove that, and I'm just so excited. Now my M6, look at that, how nice it is, the new badge. There you go. Isn't that nice? It's so clean, and you can actually clean it up. Look, it's so much cleaner. So yeah, that's how you change your BMW M badge. It works for any badge, M3, M4, M5, M6, or even the XM version. So yeah, it's really easy, guys. So anyway, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it for those people who are asking, hey, how do you change the M badge properly? Okay, this is how you do it properly. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube. They just do like a half-assed job that you don't show how to clean the adhesive properly. Make sure you got this what do you call that? This is very important. This is step 1 to remove the initial adhesive, the black adhesive, and then to finish it off, you need the isopropyl alcohol 70%, and make sure you have good quality paper towel. And then yeah, again, make sure clean the area really nice before you do any of this work. The thing is, you don't want to lose your expensive badge. This is expensive badge. It costs around $40 to $60 if you buy it from the BMW dealership. So yeah, my M6 looks brand spanking new again, the badge, right? Anyway, love you guys. Please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.